Kaying dorbar thawan kecela da kawe kasur kalamin juriak resolution bepersya yang jengti uranium hapok kecela. Menteri rangba konat kisang mau lapin pawi kini kejing eteli kum kakam bansa khana keban pai ke kubor kejing persya jong pajba syaka sarkar pedeng. Kini karai katemu banyada ya kakot kekia kamaryang kejing buram ya kahok nong kinti kitrai jaka badyada ya kahok tenrai balapin kubor ya gipat riulum hapok ke 6 schedule ke riti sensyar kari.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to move a government resolution against the mining of uranium in the state of Meghalaya. Whereas the tribal areas of the state of Meghalaya are administered under the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India, land within the autonomous districts is held predominantly under community, clan, and individual customary tenure. The allotment, occupation, and use of such land falls within the legislative competence of the autonomous district councils under Para 3 of the 6th schedule. The transfer of land is regulated by the Meghalaya Transfer of Land Regulation Act 1971. And whereas the Honorable Supreme Court of India in Civil Appeal number 10720 of 2018 in state of Meghalaya versus all Dimasa Students' Union, Dima Hassau District Committee, and others, wide their judgment dated 3rd of July 2019, have clearly held that in Meghalaya, the private owners of the land as well as community owners have both the surface right as well as subsoil right, and thus the tribals in the state owned the land and also owned the minerals. Whereas uranium-bearing minerals have been identified in Domasiat, Wakin, and Lostoin areas of West Khasi Hills and Southwest Khasi Hills district, and the Kelang, Pinding Soyong, Mautaba, and uranium mining project of the Uranium Corporation of India Limited contemplates open cast mining of uranium ore and the establishment of an ore processing plant within that area. Whereas the said area receives exceptionally high rainfall, is too steep terrain and is susceptible to landslides and forms the catchment of streams and rivers on which drinking water, agriculture, fisheries, and livelihood depend over a wide area, and the containment of overburden, mills, tailings, and process effluent in such conditions over the periods involved has not been demonstrated to the satisfaction of the affected communities to be capable of assurance. Whereas the people of the state have, through their traditional institutions, the autonomous district councils, student and civil society organizations, and their elected representatives, have consistently opposed the mining of uranium in the state. The free, prior, and informed consent of the affected communities has at no stage been obtained, and no mining lease for uranium has at any time been granted in the state. Whereas the office memorandum dated September the 8th, 2025 of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, exempts mining projects of atomic minerals notified in Part B of the first schedule to the Mines and Minerals Development Regulation Act 1957 from public consultation under the Environment Impact Assessment Notification 2006. And whereas the Union Minister of State in charge of the Department of Atomic Energy has stated in Shillong that no decision has been taken on the mining of uranium in the state of Meghalaya, and that matter is under examination. Now, therefore, this House resolves as follows. This House records the opposition of the people of the state of Meghalaya to the mining of uranium and to the establishment of any uranium ore processing facility within the state. This House resolves to urge the Government of India, the Department of Atomic Energy, and the Uranium Corporation of India Limited not to permit, pursue, or undertake any uranium mining operation in the state of Meghalaya, including under the Killing Pindem Soyong Mauthaba uranium mining project, and to close any activity related to uranium mining anywhere in the state.